been training not just for this, but for been to the Mumbai Women Academy for parkour, but also we've also been training for their circuit. So super excited. I'm really looking forward to clear the wall run because we have been practicing in Mumbai Women Academy, and also I've been told that it's 14 feet and it's going to be a challenging. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Whatever I have learned in MMA, we are actually using it on field, from bear crawl to looking up to the horizon while running, to keeping up my pace, to making sure my strength is enough to do the rope calls and all the other obstacles. We have done everything. It's just time to do it on the course.
Very great, very good. Yeah.
It was amazing. I missed 3 obstacles, but I think I gave my all in it. And yeah, it was wonderful.
The race was a lot of fun. In terms of challenge, I think there are a couple of things in there that was that needed 1 or 2 attempts, but most of it, if you've trained well enough, I think it wasn't that difficult. So if you're intimidated, I don't think you need to be. I think you should just train a little bit and come and try it.
You know, 1 year ago I would never have thought I would even attempt this. Like, I wouldn't have even registered. I have completed Devil's Circuit for the first time. Abhi bhi main jama hua hu. I went into like -3 degrees of ice and it was crazy.
This is my first Devil's Circuit in the last few years. I had good expectations from training the running, and I'm happy that I finished in about 36 minutes. Had a good run with all of the obstacles. Got a minor scrape on the wall run, but completed everything. Happy with all the preparation.
Let's go, Ajay. Nice one.
It was tiring, but it felt really awesome, especially after the ice dip. Your energy is all back. So yeah, good end to the race. It's feeling very good. I didn't expect that I would complete 13 obstacles out of 15. I kind of feel proud of myself. I would say that difficulty was between 4 and 5 because I haven't been training too much. If I was regular in my classes, maybe I would have felt the difficulty to be much lower.
Overall experience, I think 3.
It was a 5. Okay. I am not a runner, so it was very difficult for me. Obstacles, I could say a 3, 3.5, but the wall was very difficult. Yeah, मजे भी, दर्द भी.
I've actually joined bunch of boot camps, and there I got to know about Mumbai Movement Academy. I got a lot of tips from them, in order to tackle each few of these obstacles, and it was really helpful, especially the wall one. I think it's called Summit. So because of one of the sir who actually gave us like a lot of tips and sort of guidance how to actually tackle that. That was really helpful.
Mumbai Movement Academy and Rishi's classes specifically really helped me with one thing, which is pull-ups. I can now do my pull-ups. You won't believe there were 3 obstacles over here where it was all pull-up strength, it was rope, and all I was doing was pulling myself up, and I could manage that because of Rishi's morning warm-up, where we come and immediately do pull-up, push-up and squats and landings.
I think a combination of almost everything that we do helped, especially the small wall climbs that we do. It really helped us or helped me personally in a lot of the obstacles. Actually, most of them. The monkey bars, the rope climbs and all, I found it very easy because of the training that I do at Mumbai Women Academy. Except the wall run, I think I was able to do the rest of the stuff pretty easily.
Of course, it helped a lot with the Mumbai Movement Academy. I could touch the tip of the tall wall, but I at the end couldn't do it. I guess with a bit more practice, and if I had come to more boot camp, it would have been a lot easier. Chalo, let's go. Oh, it rotates. Honestly, Mumbai Movement Academy was frankly the best idea I've had, because almost all of the drills that they did, it made it super easy and actually it helped us break down the obstacles a lot better than most of the people around us. Like wall run, if we were failing, how to get that right, and all the rope climbs and everything. So it was great. They're calling me for a photo.
Okay, cool.
right now, at least as far as I know. But I think they did fantastically well. No one gave up. Everyone gave it their all. I think pretty much everyone completed most of the challenges, barring maybe one or two obstacles which they may have missed. But I think they came with the right attitude and then they really killed it. Super happy with our team, Mumbai Movement Academy, like 10 plus finishers, and happy to see everybody from the boot camp here. Really happy to see a lot of people trying hard on the obstacles and getting to know more about it. So looking forward to the next one. Sign up for the classes and learn how to beat this next year. We'll be here again and hopefully you all will be with us.